some straight stitch. See, this is the stitch guide. So it's 0 0 is straight, and if we don't want to use the foot, then we can use this stop and start button, middle down, and then it's, and the speed we can reduce from here. See, and it is, so it is the straight, and then here let me show you the, this is the reverse. It's in the middle, the speed, because it's so fast if we're doing the fast speed. And then the stitch, let's see, the zigzag 0 6, it's 6, and then down it is zigzag. See how beautifully it's doing. And then any other stitch. Okay, let's do the bobbin winding. Okay, so which one 92. Yeah, this is the nice. Okay, 92. Oh, sorry. No. Okay. And you know, the foot also should be the clear one.